drink the water. Good job. You gotta push it and drink at the same time. Push it and then bend forward and drink. You gotta push it too. You gotta push it. Oh, you're gonna go get Hayden? Now you gotta drink it at the same time. You gotta drink it at the same time. No. Push the button and lean forward and drink it. Okay, now lean forward and drink it. There. No, you gotta push it at the same time. You want help?
No.
Okay, here, I'll push it, you drink. There you go. Now you can drink. Oh, no, not the big one. Oh, Hayden. Blake, come get a drink out of this one.
Hey, where'd it go? This is the warmest one.
Yeah, I know. I realize that. Ah, now you get a drink. No, you gotta push it. It doesn't stay on. You can't figure it out. Hayden! Hayden, don't put your mouth on the thingy though. There's other people touch on that. Good job! You did it! Yay! 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 Y